Continuing, top 10 things Lance the Wonder Dog can do next. Number 8, save Burt Reynolds from his hairpiece. Number 7, you know, little pal, if I ever wanted a sidekick, I would want him to be as pliable as you.
Gosh, Lance. Thanks.
So why don't you be the Robin to my Batman, the Kato to my Green Hornet? Let's go out in the town and do some good deeds. So that's what the handbook says about dealing with underwater rescues, my little protege.
Lance, I think we've wandered into wild pack territory, and I think that we're in danger.
Never fear, little friend. You are with me, and the handbook can handle anything.
Oh, hi, Otto. Sorry we wandered into your turf. It was a mistake. You know, mistake.
You wander into my alley and then you try to apologize to me. I hate grovelers. Where is your buddy, Charlie?
Oh, yeah, wait. This is my new partner, Lance.
Otto, is it? The pleasure is mine. I once knew an Otto when I was in the Crimean. You see, frequently...
Hey, I know you. Fellas, it is the dog from the paper. The big hero. Very interesting. Well, seeing as you two wandered into my territory by accident, we'll only dump you in the bay. Okay, hero hund?
Stop, foul horde! Hey, they're supposed to stop. This is a situation I've never encountered. Let's see. Riots, alleys, rabid biker dogs, yeah?
I don't think we're gonna find this one in the book, Lance. Like Charlie would say, this calls for improvisation.